In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Cash App branches and ATMs near you, step by step. This guide will make accessing your Cash App funds easier, whether you're new to the service or just need a little extra assistance. First, it's helpful to know that each of Cash App's partner banks provides its own web-based ATM finder. You'll be pleased to hear that you can use these directly from your favorite browser, no app necessary. This can be particularly handy when you're on the go and need quick access to a nearby ATM. Let's start by exploring two main banks associated with Cash App, Sutton Bank and Lincoln Savings Bank. Begin by opening your browser and navigating to the ATM locator for either of these banks. Once you're there, you'll see a prompt to enter your location details. This could be your city, zip code, or a specific address. The choice is yours, and entering the information will help narrow down the search to relevant results. After entering your location, you'll want to hit the Search or Find ATMs button. This action will populate a list or display a map highlighting all the ATMs in your vicinity. Take a look through the list or scan the map to see which ATMs are most convenient for you. Once you've identified a suitable location, it's time to head over there. Using your cash card, you can withdraw money by inserting, tapping, or swiping it at any of the ATM machines you selected. Beyond finding ATMs through partner banks, another powerful method to locate fee-free ATMs is by using major ATM networks. Cash App cards operate on the Visa network, which means they typically work wherever Visa debit cards are accepted. Many of these ATMs can be fee-free if they're part of shared networks like Allpoint or MoneyPass. This is where ATM locators for these networks come into play. To do this, access an ATM locator for Allpoint, MoneyPass, or even Visa itself. Upon visiting one of these links, enter your current location or permit the site to access your location data. The ATM locator will then show you a list of the nearest ATMs. Pay special attention to indicators like fee-free or in-network, which help ensure that your cash withdrawal doesn't come with any unwanted fees. By following these steps and utilizing these tools, you should have no trouble finding convenient and cost-effective Cash App ATM locations whenever you need them. Whether through partner bank locators or major network locators, ensuring access to your funds is just a few clicks away. Until next time, enjoy hassle-free banking with Cash App.